Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to connect XM to TradingView. For manual trading, open XM MT4 or MT5 and place your trades directly there. You can use TradingView only for analysis. For automated trading, you can use a third-party service as a bridge between TradingView and XMT. First, create an account with an automation platform that supports this connection, such as Webhook Trade. Then connect your XMMT4 or MT5 account to the service using your login number, password, and server details. Next, generate the command code in the intermediary service for the trade you want to execute. This includes the trading instrument, the action, and the lot size. After that, go to TradingView and click on Alert at the top of the screen. In the notification section, enable the webhook URL. Then go to the message section and paste the generated command code. Finally, create the alert. When the condition is met on your TradingView chart, the alert will automatically trigger the order on your XM account through the intermediary service. Thanks for watching.